Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and recently I talked about setting up different tips and tricks on using Google Documents. Well, today is how to set default styles for all your Google Documents. I found a link that's got 8 Google Drive settings and preferences you should change, and number 5 has to do with setting the default document formatting. So go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, and that link is in there. Like I always say, I've got them so you can get them.
Hi, this is Guy Cook, and the ways to get in contact with me, well, you can contact me through the GuyRCookReport.com or https://GuyRCook.com. There's a contact form there. Or you can call the new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking. Hi, the reason for this section of the video is to remind you to subscribe or at least like. It's a wrap.